Okay, this is our homemade vacuum leak checker. Okay, guys.
Yep.
Now what? All that smoke is in that can.
Oh, look at that.
The car was smoke, cigar smoke. Where is it? Gone.
You got no leaks?
No, we do.
Takes a little bit.
Come on.
Don't you have to puff on this cigar?
No.
Oh, I smell it.
Shouldn't you move your drink so
Yeah, I
the
was
smoke
just gonna
doesn't go in
say
it?
that. Yeah.
It's too late. So
And then
stay tuned. You will see a vacuum leak.
and then
Will it? Will it?
Show
No.
smoke.
there it goes.
Oh, there
There
it
it
comes.
goes.
Right there.
Ready to run the mass airflow sensor.
Yeah,
Smoke coming out.
I see it.
The cigar just went
That's
up in
causing my too lean code.
How do you fix that? Gasket?
Where else?
Mm.
Where else? This right there?
I think it's coming below.
Yeah, the seal in this. You take this all apart and
And there you have it. There's the leak. All from a cigar.